Hey there! In today's video, we're going to be talking about e-bike throttles. Electric bikes are becoming increasingly popular as they offer a convenient and environmentally friendly mode of transportation. One important component of an e-bike is its throttle. In this video, we'll be discussing what an e-bike throttle is, the different types of throttles, and how to properly use them. What is an e-bike throttle? An e-bike throttle is a device that controls the speed of an electric bike. It is usually located on the handlebars and can be activated by twisting the grip or pressing a button. When the throttle is engaged, it sends a signal to the electric motor to increase or decrease the bike speed. Types of e-bike throttles. There are two main types of e-bike throttles: thumb throttles and twist throttles. Thumb throttles are activated by pressing a button with your thumb. They are easy to use and can be more comfortable for riders with weaker hand strength. However, they can also be more prone to accidental activation. Twist throttles are activated by twisting the grip on the handlebars. They are similar to the throttle on a motorcycle and can provide more precise control over the bike's speed. However, they may be less comfortable for riders with weaker hand strength. Proper use of e-bike throttles. It's important to use an e-bike throttle responsibly and safely. Here are some tips. Always start off slowly and gradually increase your speed. This will help you maintain control of the bike. Use the throttle in conjunction with the pedals. E-bikes are designed to be pedaled, and using the pedals can help you maintain balance and control. Be aware of your surroundings and always follow traffic laws. Just like with any other vehicle, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and follow traffic laws to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Practice using the throttle in a safe and controlled environment. Before taking your e-bike out on the road, take some time to practice using the throttle in a safe and controlled environment. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a quick overview of e-bike throttles. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to the world of electric bikes, it's important to understand how to properly use the throttle to ensure a safe and enjoyable ride. Remember to always follow traffic laws, use the throttle responsibly, and practice in a safe and controlled environment. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!